To change your account to trade options, start by opening the Robinhood app and clicking on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. From there, select the three-line menu at the top, which will open up the menu page. Tap on the investing option to view your investing portfolio and account details. Scroll down to find the Option Trading Disabled option and click on Enable Option Trading. You will then be prompted to continue, and you can choose from the available options. Selecting the first option is sufficient if you're familiar with the process. You will be asked to provide information about your financial situation and other details. So enter these correctly and click the Review button. Next, you'll be asked to agree to the option agreement. So click the Agree button. If your account is approved for option trading, you'll see the status, Application approved. If not, you'll need to contact customer support. Once approved, you can click the Continue button to complete the process. This straightforward process allows you to easily change your account settings to trade options.